Hello and welcome to the channel. If you want to add or remove an eSIM on your Samsung A16, it's very easy, but only if you have the 5G version, because the Samsung A16 4G does not support eSIM. However, if you really want to use an eSIM on the 4G model, there is still a way to do it. You can find out how by watching the video linked on the end screen. In that video, I explain exactly how to use an eSIM on a phone that doesn't officially support this feature.